How to make your kitchen smell good. Dear friends, kitchen smells are fluid. Their smell depends on what's cooking, or what's brewing, what's been spilled, what's sitting in the sink, what's rotting in the trash can, etc. But there are lots of little tweaks and adjustments you can make in your kitchen to neutralize and freshen up its baseline smell. If there's a foul smell coming from your kitchen, sniff around your dishwasher. Though it may seem counterintuitive, your dishwasher needs to be cleaned occasionally. Put a small bowl of coffee grounds in the fridge or freezer to absorb the stink from last week's leftovers. Just be sure to clean out your fridge, too. No amount of coffee grounds can combat rotting seafood. If you don't have coffee on hand, or hate the smell of coffee, place a cotton ball soaked with vanilla extract in the fridge or freezer. Grind up citrus peels in your garbage disposal. Not only will this clean out your disposal, it'll also send delicious citrus scents wafting through your kitchen. If you don't have a garbage disposal but still want to eliminate the smells coming from your sink, consider pouring boiling water down the drain. To save time and water, do this with the leftover water in the kettle after you brew a cup of tea. Simmer aromatic ingredients on the stove. You can throw herbs, spices, and citrus peels in water or, with a little more planning, make some masala chai or mulled cider so you have something warm and cozy to sip on. Bake spices in the oven at a low temperature. Not only will this make your home smell heavenly, but toasting the spices makes them taste nuttier and richer, improving your baking. Sprinkle baking soda in your trash can. Baking soda is a cost-effective way to neutralize all those foul smells coming from that corner of your kitchen. If you notice a smell coming from your microwave even after you've cleaned it, microwave a couple of tablespoons of vanilla extract in a mug for 30 seconds. Cut up citrus fruit. As you cut them up, you'll release the fragrant oils and freshen up the kitchen, and you can throw those slices into a glass of water for a true spa experience. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.